Yo, yo, yo.
This is what I do, what I do, what I do.
Black Wall Street, where the dream took form. From the ashes of struggle, new wealth was born. Ownership rising, community strong. Building economic power all along. Yeah, from Greenwood's rise to the cities that grew. Black enterprise show what unity could do. Study the history, follow the lead. Ownership, unity, that's the seed. From the dirt of the South to the Oklahoma plains, we built empires without the white man's reigns. In Greenwood district, we flew planes, 6 owners in the sky. Before the 521 made the mothers cry. Tulsa was the blueprint, brick and mortar suites. Every dollar changed hands 19 times in those streets. Group economics flowing strong through the block, turning barbershops and banks into economic stock. Doctors and lawyers, hotels and cafes, movie theaters shining through Greenwood days. A self-contained city where opportunity stood, proof of the power of a thriving black neighborhood. But hatred erupted in the summer of fright, when mobs burned the district in the dead of night. The Tulsa race massacre tried to erase the proof, but the story still lives as a lesson of truth. Money circulated through the community many times before leaving the district, strengthened a powerful local economy. Black Wall Street, where the vision was seen. Ownership building an economic dream. Study the lesson every leadership read. Unity and wealth for planet seed. Yeah. Black Wall Street, where the vision was seen. Ownership building the economic dream. Study the lesson every leadership read. Unity and wealth for planet seeds. Yeah. And slide to Jackson Ward, cradle of the game, where Maggie Lena Walker put the bankers all to shame. First woman at the helm, pennies turning to gold. In Richmond, where the story of our capital was told. Banks, insurance, business rising with pride. Community wealth, where ownership is the guide. Showing the nation what a vision could do when the doors of opportunity open for you. Then Durham's Hayti, Parrish Street alive. Black Wall Street energy helping dreams survive. Mutual life, building financial roots, turning enterprise into economic pursuits. Every district proving the lesson was true. Economic freedom comes from what we build and do. Black Wall Street, where the vision was seen. Ownership building an economic dream. Study the lesson every leadership read. Unity and wealth for planet seeds. Yeah. Black Wall Street, where the vision was seen. Ownership building an economic dream. Study the lesson every leadership read. Unity and wealth for planet seeds. Yeah. Sweet Auburn historic district, richest black street the whole world heard. Where the dream of Martin Luther King Jr. had birth. Church bells ringing with purpose and worth. Farish Street in Jackson, where the blues would meet. Business and culture moving through the street. Mega Evers working justice with pride, while the rhythm of the Delta moved outside. From Boley to Mound Bayou towns we call our own. Independent black cities where prosperity was grown. True black Wall Streets where the seeds were sown. Building generational wealth we can own. Every district proof the future was bright. With knowledge and business unite in the fight. Economic power is the lesson revealed. Ownership builds what history concealed. Black Wall Street was never just a place. It was a philosophy, a strategy, a vision of ownership and unity. And every generation has the power to build it again.
Build it again, build it again. This is what I do, what I do, what I do.